Hi, I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite restaurant-style salsas today. This one we can't get enough of in my household. We start off with just 1 can of crushed tomatoes. It's super simple to bring together, so I usually just use my food processor. We've got a whole bunch of fresh cilantro, and the stems actually give off a great flavor. So when we're pureeing, go ahead and use the stems. I always add a little bit of sugar, just to kind of neutralize the acid that's in the tomatoes. Some salt, some fresh garlic. We've got some garlic powder and cumin going in. Some jalapeno, some red onion, and then some good fresh lime juice. All you need to do now is just pulse it in your food processor. This is so good, and you can make enough to share. Enjoy. Full recipe is in the description below.